Hey, what's going on, folks? Ross Minchev in the house, and welcome to today's video, in which I'm going to share with you one of the easiest strategies that you can use to make $100 per day on Clickbank promoting different affiliate products or offers. This is going to be a step-by-step video tutorial, and it's going to be very beginners friendly, but also if you're an advanced marketer, you can still get some golden nuggets out of this video. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. Let me shrink myself and move myself here to the left. Now, the first thing obviously you need to do if you want to make money with Clickbank is sign up for clickbank.com for an affiliate account. And when you log in, this is the first thing you're going to see. This is your dashboard right here. Of course, if you're just starting out, you're not going to see any earnings. So on the left side here is what you're going to see. This is where your affiliate commissions going to be positioned. But something I want to point out, which is very, very important. If I click reporting right here, and then we're gonna start setting up the system. And from here, if I click paychecks, so here you can see your weekly paychecks. Every week Clickbank sends you a paycheck, and here in my case, each and every week I receive $5,000, $7,000. Some weeks I receive $400, 800. It depends on something that I want to point out. If we go to the total paychecks right here at the top left corner, which is a sum of paychecks for 2020, I have $114,000 collected in affiliate commissions. But this is not profit. This is gross revenue, meaning I spend money on Facebook ads. I do paid advertisement, and usually I spend half of this for ads. So in reality, my total profit is not $114,000. My profit is about $50,000 to $60,000, which is still pretty good, but that's something you have to know. And as we can see, for 2021, it's already the 1st of January, and they have sent my paycheck for 2021, $600, which is a pretty good to start the new year. Now that we cleared this out, let's go and start setting up the system. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to pick an offer, a product to promote and make money with. Then I'm going to show you how to position yourself and how to outsmart everybody else, because we are smarter marketers. And then we're going to start running traffic to your affiliate links to your offers. So the next step is go over to marketplace right here, click marketplace, and here is where you can see all the products that you can promote and make commission. Just click the magnifier glass. On the left side you have categories, but we're not going to do the categories right now. We want to just click the magnifier so we can see all the products from Clickbank. Now on Clickbank we have two kind of types of offers. An evergreen offers that are, let's say, in the diet niche, where they're called kind of an evergreen offers. And in the diet there will be people who will always want to lose weight, right, on a yearly basis. Every year there will be some people who want to get fit or who want to lose weight. This is how the evergreen thing works. And the second type is exclusive offers, something that you haven't seen, something that when you see it you're like, wow, I haven't seen this, I have to own it. This is the second type of offer, and today I'm going to show you how to combine both, which is pretty cool. So here we have all the products. On the right side we have the commission per sale. This is how much you're going to make per sale when somebody clicks your link and purchase the product. What I do here, the first thing I do is I bump up the gravity to around 50. Gravity is a score that tells you how popular an offer is and how many affiliates are promoting this offer. So if the gravity is above 40, let's say 50, it means the offer is pretty hot. And for today's video, like I told you, I found a pretty cool offer. So in the search box I'm going to type something controversial, which is poop. I know, check this out. So this is the offer I found, which is in the evergreen. This is, let me show you. So when you click promote, you can generate your affiliate hop link from Clickbank. So click generate hop link, and this is your unique affiliate link. When you copy that and when you send this, and when you send traffic to this link, let me open it in a new tab, people see the offer, and then when they purchase, you're going to get paid $56, which is pretty good deal. So if you make just 2 sales per day, that's $100 right there. So in reality you need just 2 sales and you're going to be making $100 every single day. So let's go back to the advertorial. This is called an advertorial. This is the landing page people will see. And here it is. Canned poop. 1 small serving of this at breakfast helps people over 40 enjoy perfect poops daily. Unfortunately, there always will be people who have problems with their digestive system or with their guts, and who have problems with pooping, right? So this is a pretty cool offer to promote, because first, like I said, it's an evergreen. There always will be people who have these issues, and also it's something that you don't see every day. Like, can't poop? Like, what is that? Yeah. Let me check it out. Now, the next step you need to do is to validate this offer. How do you validate the offer? How do you know that people will actually buy your product, buy it from you? The first thing is, I already told you, is check the gravity. The second thing you need to do is open a new tab and type trends.google.com. And in the trends here, we want to type the keywords people will be looking for to see if there is a demand for this kind of a solution for a problem. So people have problem with poop problems. Let's see, and hit enter. And we want to see the graphic. All right, so now we see the graphic is okay, kind of smooth, peaks and downs and peaks and downs. So now we know that there is a demand for a solution for poop problems. People are really having poop problems. We can actually see in which states in the United States people are typing it the most, and it turns out that in Michigan, and yeah, Michigan people have the most problems with pooping. I don't know why. I'm sorry guys, sorry folks, maybe the weather, I don't know, maybe the food in Michigan. I don't want to be bad, so I'm gonna leave it like this. But now we have validated the offer. The next step is go back to your Clickbank, click the actual domain name. This is the title of the offer, or you can just click promote again, generate your hop link, and click this icon to copy your link, open a new tab, paste your link here, and now read carefully the domain name. Now we're going to start doing something different. We're going to do our due diligence. We're going to do our research, because we don't want to just send traffic to this URL. We want to be smarter. We want to see how other people are doing it, and then we want to see if we can outsmart them. So what I do next, I look at the domain name. So the domain name is mypeakbiome.com. And what we're going to do, I'm going to copy this domain name. I'm going to open Facebook, and here in Facebook, in the search bar, we're actually going to type the domain name. So paste your domain name here, and I'm actually going to delete the .com and then the www and the HTTPS, just like that. My peak biome. I'm going to put some spaces in between the words. So let's hit enter. And this is the first page, so let's open this. It seems like this is a page related to this affiliate offer, so click open this, and then scroll down and research more pages. Do a lot of research here, but we have opened this page, so let's go to the actual page, Peak Biome. And what you need to do here is scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says page transparency. Click CO and go over to ads from this page, and it turns out this page is currently running ads, which is what we need. We want to see how other people are promoting this product. So it turns out this page is running ads, so go go to the ad library, click that, and from here we can actually see their actual ads from this page, and these are Facebook ads. It says active. And then what we need to do, click see ad details, and you can read the ad. Peak Biome is an innovative science-backed plant-based breakthrough that helps with the perfect poop. Again, pretty controversial kind of a type of offer, but anyways, what I want you to do is scroll down and click learn more, and this is what is going to show you their landing page, how they're promoting this product. So now you know the ad. Now we want to see their landing page. Click learn more. And it turns out they're actually promoting the same landing page from Clickbank. But look, there is some difference here, because Facebook can be very aggressive with ads rejection and ad account banning. So here what we can see is they use the same landing page, but they have changed the text to fit the Facebook policy. And if we compare this page to the one that we got from Clickbank, do you spot the difference? Here it says can't poop, and here from Facebook it says want perfect poops. So they actually have changed just the title of this landing page to fit the Facebook terms and conditions or privacy policy. So now pretty much we're half the journey. Now we know that people are running Facebook ads. We already know their landing page. The next step is, of course, do a lot of research. Research more landing pages, research more Facebook pages, and find their ads. You can actually go to the Facebook ads library like this. This is the next step, by the way. Click back, save these ads. Don't copy them. Just read through the ads, see what people are saying. We're going to make better ads. We're going to make something better. We don't want to copy people, because if you copy, you're not going to get the same results, because they have already dominated the space with this type of copyright. So you have to twist the text, we have to change the text, and by changing the text and changing the ads, you're actually going to start building your own campaigns, your own brands, and you're going to be different than everybody else. That's why I always tell you in my other videos, you can see that I always say that you must create your own unique stuff, and you don't have to be a copywriter or anyone special. You just I'm gonna post some videos down in the description when I explain how to, you know, spin the text and how to be unique without being a copywriter or professional digital marketer. Go back, and in the search bar, in the search box right here, start typing something related to pooping or pig biome, and start researching different pages. So let's see if I type poop. Is there something? Barney's perfect poop. Okay, let's see this one. Or original poop knife poop. Yeah, I mean, it's funny, but you gotta do your research. Let's see if they're running ads. Okay, yeah, these guys, it turns out they're also running ads, but these ads are related to pets pooping, I guess. Yeah, Barney's perfect poop. So, but you got the point, right? Now, after you have researched a lot and you have your ads, you know the landing page. We already have the landing page that is, we know it's converting because they're running actual ads to Facebook. They're spending money to this landing page. We have their Facebook ads. The next step is to create our own landing page, and for that purpose, because we want to drive traffic to our own landing page. You don't want ever to drive traffic to the actual affiliate link from Clickbank. You want to create your own landing page, and for that purpose, we're going to kind of duplicate or replicate their landing page from the My Pig Biome, because it's already proven. You know they're running traffic, you know that it has a good gravity in Clickbank, so you know this page converts. For that reason, we're going to use a special tool that I use on a daily basis in my business, which is called system.io, and I would appreciate if you sign up with my link, which is system304.com, and you're actually going to get a 2 weeks free trial for this tool. So go to system304.com, sign up for an account right here. Basically, this tool is like ClickFunnels, like WordPress, but it's much cheaper and it's much faster. I like it a lot. So I've been doing business with this tool for the past couple of months. So sign up with your email, then log in here. Once you log in, click funnels right here and click create a new funnel. And name this maybe poop offer and just click build an audience, let's say, and hit create. Here you can research different templates. I usually go with this one right here, but today we're going to do something a bit different. So we're gonna go with this template here because I want something that is in the middle, like the title should be in the middle. So let's go with this one. Once you create it,